the equator, days are 23 hours and 55 minutes long. At low north and high south, days are 24 hours. But at high north and low south, days are 24 hours and 5 minutes. The closer you get to the pole, the longer days are. This is pretty much why it's always staying in Antarctica for 6 months. Hey, if you want to see a video about Earth spinning up, check it out afterwards. Actually, if Earth stops spinning suddenly, you die immediately. That's because if Earth stops spinning suddenly, then you'd fly off the planet into deep space immediately. So, what if Earth slowed down and stopped? Well, actually, the Earth's spin is slowing down because of the moon. Scientists think that in 180 million years, days will be 25 hours long. So the Earth's spin is slowing down, but what if the progress was faster? Well, in the first week, you wouldn't notice much of a change as as the rotational speed has only gotten up an hour and hover around 25 hours for another week. And after 1 month, days will increase to 28 hours long. Because of this, we have to remove some days from the calendar. And we'd have to adjust to the new midnight because it will keep getting longer every 2 weeks. And after 1 year, days will be a whopping 76 hours long. Double that to 152, which is almost the same rotation as the dwarf planet Pluto, but we're not done. 1 day on Mercury is 59 days, while 1 day on Venus is 243 days. And that is at 4 miles an hour. So, double that, we get 486 days at 2 miles per hour. At 1 mile per hour, 972 days long. At 1/2 a mile per hour, slow as a sloth, days are 1,944 days. Longer than 5 years. At 1/4 mile per hour, days are 3,888 days, which is longer than 10 years. At 1/8 mile per hour, days are 7,776 days, longer than 20 years. At 1/16 mile per hour, days are 15,552 days, longer than 45 years. This will go on forever, so let's pretend that it stopped. At this point, there's only revolution around the sun, but no rotation around its axis, means that days and nights last 6 months. And there's no centrifugal force because Earth stopped spinning, so the waters migrated to the poles, and some cities are underwater. And there's no magnetic field to protect the life on Earth from solar winds. And there'd be no auroras as there are formed when particles of solar winds and when Earth's magnetic field meet. So let's keep the Earth spinning.